This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato at home. Gelato is a delightful frozen dessert, distinct from ice cream due to its lower fat content and denser texture. We'll explore the key ingredients and techniques that give gelato its unique, intense flavor and creamy mouthfeel. Get ready to create a truly authentic Italian treat right in your own kitchen. Let's dive into the delicious details. The first step to amazing homemade gelato is creating a perfect base. You'll combine whole milk, a smaller amount of heavy cream, sugar, and your desired flavorings in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture, stirring constantly until it reaches about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. If your recipe includes egg yolks, remember to temper them carefully before incorporating them into the warm base. This ensures a smooth, rich foundation for your gelato. Once your gelato base is ready, chilling is crucial. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the mixture to get very cold, which is essential for proper churning. Next, pour the chilled base into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl and churn for 20 to 30 minutes until it resembles a thick, soft serve consistency. Patience here pays off. After churning, your gelato will be soft, but incredibly delicious. Transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up to a perfect scoopable consistency. When you're ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly, enhancing its creamy texture and intense flavor. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade Italian masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.